Hey everyone, hope everybody's been having an awesome weekend. I just got maintenance done on my 2020 Harley-Davidson Lowrider S. 13,850 miles. They changed all the fluids. They had a pretty good promo going. $250 to perform 3-hole drop. Technician completed 3-hole drop and test rode with no issue. Well, the past year, I've only put about 1,000 miles on my bike. And don't you worry, we're going to take care of that, because we're going to be riding it more now. Actually tell the difference. I can actually tell the difference. Does it feel like a new motorcycle? No, but shifting seems a little smoother, acceleration a little smoother. Overall it feels like, yes, like there was some maintenance done to it. You know, I haven't done much to this motorcycle. Really, all I've done is the turn signals, puts the smoke lens covers on them, tank protector. I added the back seat and the slip-ons. Oh, and I switched this on with the K&N. The bridge I'm about to go over was built probably like about a couple years ago. The biggest complaint that everybody has, me included, is that it's only one lane, a one-lane bridge. And we keep asking ourselves, why? Why didn't they make it 2 lanes? I just found out, I don't know how legit this is, but the requirements of the grant were that it had to be a 1 lane. And after a certain amount of time goes by, then they could enhance it, add more lanes. But for the time being, it has to be like this. There has to be 1 lane. This is a good spot. Should be able to hear a nice big roar. Really loud over here. In between these 2 hills, should be able to get a nice big roar.